The first step to removing your air filter is to find and remove the two twist knobs. They're located in the passenger footwell below the glove box. Most models have two knobs. I had two knobs, but some models do have three. And they're protecting the foam portion right there in the back, right there. They simply twist counterclockwise and then pop right out. The next step is to release the old cabin air filter. Do this by pulling down the foam and then pushing the lever toward the front passenger corner of the car. The old air filter should drop directly down. Install the new filter with the notch toward the top right. Again, then reposition the lever and it will slide toward the driver rear corner to lock back into place. Replace the foam cover and the two screws or three screws, and you're pretty much done.